Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting new, stunning portrait presets for Lightroom and Photoshop. You deserve to tell your story the way you envisioned. So do not let clutter stand in the way of a good shot. With our new portrait presets, you can capture the very essence of your models and loved ones. These presets add a unique variety of color, filtered looks, and artistic toning. Perfect for all styles of portrait imagery, where the desired effect is to keep the natural coloring and white balance very close to reality. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. If some presets are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. Do not miss the chance to get new beautiful Lightroom Photoshop preset collection.